Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel. Today we're diving into an important topic: how to properly maintain your locks. Keeping your locks in great shape is crucial for your home's security and can save you from unexpected lockouts or repairs. Why does lock maintenance matter? Regular care ensures your locks operate smoothly, prevents wear and tear, and extends their lifespan. Plus, a well-maintained lock keeps your home, business, or car secure. A well-maintained lock ensures that it remains reliable when you need it most, whether it's securing your home, business, or vehicle. Proper care can also prevent costly repairs or replacements down the line. Neglecting your locks can lead to a variety of issues that affect their performance and security. Over time, dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate inside the lock, leading to key jamming or difficulty turning. Misaligned mechanisms, often caused by lack of lubrication or wear, can prevent the lock from fully engaging, making it easier for intruders to bypass. Another common issue is rust and corrosion, particularly in locks exposed to the elements. This can cause the internal components to seize up, leading to key breakage or lock malfunction. If left untreated, this can escalate into complete lock failure, leaving you locked out of your home or business, or worse, vulnerable to break-ins. Proper lock care is easier than you think. Start by cleaning your locks regularly to remove dirt and debris that can cause jams. Use a graphite or silicone-based lubricant to keep moving parts like hinges and keyholes operating smoothly. Avoid using excessive force when turning your key, as this can damage the internal mechanism. A little care goes a long way in keeping your locks functional and secure. DIY maintenance offers flexibility and cost savings for property owners, but professionals bring valuable knowledge, especially when dealing with advanced security features. Ultimately, the decision depends on the complexity of the task, available time, and the level of expertise needed. No matter what, regular maintenance is essential for the durability and optimal performance of your commercial locks. Thanks for watching. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your locks secure and your peace of mind intact. For more details and an in-depth overview of this topic, visit our website. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to call us. We're here 24/7 to handle all your locksmith needs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more home security tips. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.